Let's see. Uh-oh. He's going to the back. He's dancing up on her. Watch out. He danced up on himself. He danced up on the cheerleader. She's not into it. All right, Mom, that's the first one. Uh-oh. He's inappropriate. Look at his hand. Oh, she's returning the favor. Maybe she does like him.
I know, they're a little crush.